What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's vlog. It is Tuesday the 30th of October, the day before Halloween, and we're just about to head over to Miles and Kate's. I'm going to take Alpha, Portia, Penelope, Sarah and me. We're going to head over there, see Kate, see Miles. I haven't seen Miles for ages. Miles is good for views. Everybody loves Miles, so Miles will pick the views up for us, no doubt. I'm only joking. I'm not. I am. No, seriously, I'm not. No, I am. Honestly, I'm not. So anyway, we're going to head over there, and then on the way back, I've got to nip to IKEA. I've got to pick up some brackets for one of the printers, because it's going into the, You're vlogging?
A pumpkin, I mean.
Oh, she's on about a pumpkin. You've got a pumpkin here. It needs to be carved. Picked up Sarah's advent calendar this morning. It's a celebrations one that opens up at the top of the 25th.
Like, go here, it opens here.
Okay, it opens there. Fine. So I took Alpha to Tesco's. He lost one of his teeth, so the tooth fairy came. He went and picked up some Roblox figures, or Roblox are they called? I think so.
Yeah.
These little tiny things. He went and picked up a few of those. Excuse me, no, we don't touch his stuff, do we? Because you don't like him touching yours. So we're going to head over to Kate and Miles. I think I've said that 17 times now, so this is the 18th time. And we're going to go check in with Kate and Miles. So the next time you see us, we will literally be at Kate and Miles. Unless, of course, Sarah interrupts and does a piece on the way there in the car.
Hi everybody! So we just got to Kate and Miles's. Kate and Tom's house. With Miles, obviously. And Miles is getting so big I can't believe it. It's actually crawling. Every time I put him on my knee though, it's like all for Dave. He proper loves Dave.
Don't forget his face.
No, you can never forget. I'm only joking. My baby knows I love him really. Don't you?
Yes.
He's not interested in this phone.
It's Imogen.
Can we get down? What he's always doing best. You want to see Miles? He's so cute. Miles! Where's the camera?
He's coming.
Oh. Are you gonna walk?
Remembers that camera, don't you?
Yeah, look at him staring at it. He's like, oh! My camera's back!
Who's in here? Come on then.
Now we can grow, just look on. Standing up and just look at
Watch your head, baby.
Boing. What's that? Papa ball boing.
Penelope,
Christmas present.
Christmas present.
have you missed Miles?
Boing. Yeah. You wanna go?
I said, we're going to go see Miles, and she's like, can I hold him? Trying to convince Kate to have a little brother or sister for him.
No, not yet.
Yeah.
You think she should, Tom?
So, thanks, Tom. Thanks for sticking up for her.
No.
Yeah.
I think you should.
Not yet.
Why?
Start vlogging before we have another baby. I'm joking.
You gonna vlog?
No.
Yeah, you need to. You can clickbait it.
I would never clickbait. I'll get lives and everything done about me, won't I?
Get what?
I'll get lives done about me and everything. Calling me fake.
What, off Dave? Yeah. We'll roast you. You know, like Kate over there.
They're looking at the camera, Miles.
Miles, what are you doing?
He's just crying.
Is he just crying? Why?
Now he put this off him.
He's not even interested, is he? Miles. Miles. Is that it? No. Penelope, what are you doing?
Put your camera away, you will. Oh.
Oh, hello.
I'll just get a few.
Alfie's just lazing about.
I know. Made himself well at home, him. You at home there, son?
Pick you up in the morning.
Yeah. Got the TV there. It's happy, aren't you? What you on? Do you want one of them for Christmas? You've got a mini, haven't you?
I'm gonna get Miles a finger.
You better steady go. You don't want to.
Should we put Miles on it?
Put Miles on it.
Put Miles on it. No?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, let Miles have a go so we can video him. Whoa, look at you! Yay! Clever boy!
What's Penelope's feet?
Woo! What are you doing?
What are you there?
Boo!
1 minute, let him have a go, you can have a go.
Boo! Oh my god, his face is so serious, Miles. Put a smile on it.
Smile! Look on the back with it.
Just then.
We're just about to leave Kate and Tom's now. Alfie's wandering off on the quad. Little Miles is gonna say bye bye now.
Say bye bye.
You're gonna say bye, Miles. Bye. You chewing on your thumb or your finger?
Teeth.
Got 2 pickle stabbers.
Where's your tea?
Later that same evening.
Alright guys, so we're back home now from Kate's, and for those of you that were wondering, did Penelope have a birthday cake? Well yes, she did, and she still has it now, and we're going to light the candles, we're going to take it into Penelope. But the reason why we didn't give her the cake the other day was because behind me here we have a load of cake. Sorry, there we have a load of cake from the wedding, so we had to get through that first. Don't worry, for those of you that think that I eat the cake, I can't stand sponge cake, so it definitely ain't been me that's been eating it. But we're going to light this Disney princess cake now, because she is a Disney princess after all. I'm going to take it into Penelope, she's going to blow candles out, and then she's going to wander off to Dreamland for the evening. So, without further ado, here comes the cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Penelope. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
One more out, baby.
One more out.
Get closer.
Anna.
Get closer.
Anna.
Go on.
Blow.
Big blow.
Go.
What's it up?
Get close to it.
Yay. Yay.
There, you can be princess.
Is it nice?
Do you all want a piece?
Yeah, yeah.
No. Do you want a piece?
A tiny bit.
A tiny bit.
Are you having a piece?
Don't be stupid. Poison.
Don't be stupid, it's poison.
We're just looking at it. Can you
Is that yum?
looking at it?
You picked your birthday cake, didn't you?
She was
Yeah, you always get to pick your cakes, don't you?
It was either out of a unicorn or
Yeah, there was a unicorn, wasn't there? And there was Cinderella.
Cinderella.
You really wanted Belle, didn't you? But they didn't do Belle.
You wanted Belle?
You want Belle for your birthday, don't you?
Me? No.
No, she wants that bear off Toy Story.
Oh, the purple bear that you've got that smells nice.
That now. No, don't anymore.
Yeah, try some. I'm gonna get it nice.
You want a princess cake for your birthday, don't you?
Can I go back to bed now?
Belle,
If you want.
should I get you a big Beauty and the Beast Belle cake for your 18th?
Yeah, but it needs to be golden white. What do you want?
We know.
It has to be what? Golden white. Golden white.
Can I go back to sleep now?
Yep, she wants her 18th gold and white.
I want mine white and gold.
Happy and saffron.
You want yours white and gold? That's just the same, the opposite way.
I know.
Alright guys, we're gonna nip over to Tesco's now. All the kids are in bed apart from Mason. We're gonna go see if we can get him a Halloween costume from Tesco's because he's coming out of us tomorrow trick-or-treating. So are you as well, hopefully. Do not forget, tomorrow we will be going live about 7 o'clock, maybe a little bit earlier, maybe about 6, so there'll be no point. You'll have already seen it, so I'm talking absolute gibberish. So we're gonna nip to Tesco's and then we're gonna nip over to the studio as well, or the office, and sort some prints out. Right, so been at the unit now for about 25 minutes with Mason, and this printer here failed when it came in. It was an absolute mess. I'm going to put a picture up here. It was like Spaghetti Junction, but it's really annoyed me because that print was on for 18 hours, so it's failed at the last hour and a half left on it, so it's not good at all. I think next time we're going to have to slow it down on the last 5 hours, I think, so it's not putting so much pressure. It was so heavy on the top, the extruders hit it and it's knocked it over. It flew off actually on the back here, so it was just spinning and making loads of filament. In fact, it's still in the bin here. This is the end result of it. Just look at the state of that. It's just like a black wig, so it's not good at all. So we're gonna head over to Tesco's now, see if we can get Mason a Halloween outfit. Hopefully there'll be one in stock. If not, we'll have to go B&M's in the morning or Asda, but I'm pretty sure they should have some over there. And then it's back home, have a bath, and then settle down for the night. Alright guys, I've got back from Tesco's now with Mason. He's picked his Halloween suit. This is what he's going as. He's going as like this ghoul with the boys, which is pretty cool. And I must show you as well, because Sarah's told me to, because she's shown the last one that we got. We got this today from Kate and Tom. This is for baby Aurora. It is a tiny little dress with princess written on it. It's gorgeous, it's really nice. And we also got a bib to match which says princess on it, because you know what, after all, she is a princess. So the house is now full of princesses. It literally is. So I'm gonna make a cup of tea. You can hear it boiling in the background. I'm getting ready for tomorrow night. Once we've done trick or treat, all the Halloween decorations will come down, and then on the 1st of November we will start to decorate the Christmas tree and decorate the house as Christmas. As I've said previously before, and we've said last year, we are a massive Christmas family and Disney family as well, but we love Christmas, so we like the kids to have Christmas as long as possible. So we start the 1st November and we end like the first week into January, so the kids get the best of Christmas. And I'm pretty sure at some point throughout January, November and into December, the elves are going to show up again. We have 2 elves. They are brutal. If you didn't check them out last Vlogmas, make sure you're here for this Vlogmas, because I've got a feeling they've got some crazy shit going on this Christmas. So do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe if you're not already, make sure you click the notification bell, it does nothing. Make sure you leave a comment, and we will see you guys tomorrow, because we do this every single day.